StockPulse News here, and we're talking Timberline Resources today. Timberline trades as TBR, the Toronto Venture Exchange in Canada, TLRS, OTCQB markets in the States. They are hunting gold in Nevada. They also intersect 22.8 meters at 4.29 grams per ton gold, the southern extension of the water well zone at Eureka Project. Here to run through those numbers, I've got the CEO, Patrick Highsmith. Patrick, always good to connect. A little better to connect when you have some nice numbers to report here. So yeah, let's run through them here for investors.
Yeah, good morning. Good to be with you, Rob. We are so happy to finally be getting assays regularly delivered now out of our drill program at the Eureka Project in Nevada. And we've headlined this week with some excellent results from the first 4 holes of this program. There's probably 24 holes, something like that in this program, Rob. And the first 4 have come out. They are, as you said, in the water well zone. And we focus sort of in the central portion and the southern portion of the water well zone. And the headline says it all. All 4 holes hit significant gold, Rob, but one of them really did stand out. We hit another nice thick run of high grade. We hit 22.8 meters of 4.29 grams per ton. That was a 75-meter step out to the south where the zone is wide open from that really hot hole we announced in the spring. It was hole 212 down in that part of the world. And that interval, that 22.8 meter run, includes 7.6 meters at 11.56 grams per ton. So there's some real nice high grade in there, Rob. This is, again, we talk about this in the news release. The predictability is what's making a difference now. We've been drilling in the water well zone for 2 seasons. We now know what's controlling the gold in the heart of the zone, at least. And that's the base of the Dunderberg Shale. And we are able to tag it. And every time we've tagged it, Rob, we're hitting gold. Our hit rate has really gone up with these 4 holes.
Well, that's the name of the game. So on this hunting hidden treasures, the quest you're on here, Patrick, how big is this? What does this mean moving forward to you?
Well, you know, we're showing a map in the news release, and I hope the audience will get a chance to check that out because it really does show you where the treasure's buried, Rob. You know, it's the water well zone is outlined clearly on that map. And what we're showing there is a little bit of a different map. We've got a drill hole with these red bubbles, and these bubbles are showing grade thickness. So that's the meters width of the intercept times the grams per ton of the intercept. And really, you start seeing 100-gram intercepts kind of reliably, Rob, up to over 200 grams per ton, gram meters so far, in the water well zone. What you see in that yellow oval is the footprint of the water well zone is filling out. And you also see that the best grade thickness is at the north and the south of the zone where it's wide open. So it looks like the treasure's there. We've got to put the technical details together. We've got to understand these controls better. We've got to get the rest of our results back. And which will be a nice steady news flow now that we're into the results season. But we're filling in that footprint, and I think the audience can infer from that what the next step is. You've got a resource right next door, comes to surface. A lot of that's oxide mineralization, obviously a lower grade resource, but the higher grade roots of that thing continue out to the east, and that's what we're hitting at the water well zone. And we think we found some treasure. Maybe the question now is how much, and does it have the potential economics that an important new discovery in Nevada needs?
Yeah, well, I guess stay tuned for that. And I guess we'll wish you luck on that treasure hunt there in Nevada. And certainly we'll check back in when you have some more results for the market there. So Patrick Highsmith, he's the president and CEO, Timberline Resources, call sign TBR, Toronto Venture Exchange in Canada, TLRS, OTCQB in the States. Again, Patrick, best of luck there. Look forward to checking back in. You got some more numbers to see how economical this could be.
Thanks, Rob. Results are going to be coming hot and heavy now. So we'll see you in a couple of weeks.